Hello guys, welcome back to Distinction and Mathematics. Today's video we are solving for x and y simultaneously. We have two equations and we're going to solve for both x and y at the same time. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, so please grab your pen and paper and let's get right to it. Both of these equations have x and y, which makes it possible for us to solve for both. But when you look at this equation, we have x and y as exponents. So the first thing we will do is to make sure that x and y are bases and not exponents. Number one, we find a way to make these bases common. We make the base on this side equal to the base on this side. We know that 27 is 3 cubed. Changing 27 to 3 cubed equates the bases. When the bases are equal, the exponents are also equal. What I mean by that is, if we have 3 as an exponent on this side, these two exponents should also add up to 3. Number two is, when the bases are the same, we bring down the exponents. So on this side we have x plus y, and on the other side of the equal sign we have 3. Now that x and y are bases, we can conclude that this is our equation 1. So we're going to label it equation 1, and of course this is our equation 2. Now there is no mark for labeling. This is for you to understand and be able to differentiate your equations. The next step is to create equation 3. To do this, you take equation 1 and make y the subject of the formula and also label it equation 3. Now in other cases where you are given different equations, you can either use equation 1 or equation 2 to create equation 3. I am using equation 1 because it is easier to make y the subject of the formula in this case. Number 3, because you used equation 1 to create equation 3, you now substitute equation 3 into equation 2. That means wherever you have y on this equation, you write 3 minus x. We're also going to write it down to show what we are doing. Substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So your x values are minus 1 and 4. The next step is to substitute these x values into any equation that you are given. We're going to use equation 3. We are now looking for the y values, so wherever we have x in this equation, we're going to write these x values. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to see more people join the team, so please share this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button and join the team. Also, I'd like to know where you find a challenge in solving for x and y simultaneously, so please leave a comment and watch more videos on this channel. We'll see you on the next video.